17-second manifestation technique. Your wish fulfilled. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that on this channel you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. So we're talking about the 17-second manifestation technique to help you achieve whatever it is you desire to achieve and to have your wish fulfilled. So high flyers, understand that the 17-second manifestation technique is not the end all. It's the starting point. It's the beginning. It's the starting line of manifesting your wish fulfilled. So what it does is it helps you to establish vibrational connection and alignment with whatever it is that you desire to manifest in your life. A better relationship, more money, a new house, a new car. Whatever you desire, it begins with the 17-second manifestation technique. High flyers, you already know that everything you desire is already present in the universe. You don't have to create it. It's already here. When we talk about co-creating, what we're really talking about is making the invisible visible. You know, the car that you desire to drive, it's already in existence. The money that you desire to have in your bank account, it's already printed. Everything that you desire is already present. What this 17-second manifestation technique really helps you do is it helps you send a harpoon or an arrow into your intention and bring it from the invisible to the visible. What I like about using the 17-second manifestation technique is that it helps me manifest faster and faster and faster all the time. Now, I have a 17-second manifestation video already made that deals with a specific time of day. This method that I'm sharing with you now, you can do it anytime of day to get the ball rolling, to get the, it's like a snowball. Okay, if you ever made a snowball, you start with a little small compact of ice, and then you roll it and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's exactly what's going to happen until you arrive at the wish fulfilled. High flyers, the 17-second manifestation technique, it is so powerful. I mean, it is incredibly powerful because it helps you raise your vibration to a higher level of frequency, and that allows you to manifest and connect to your wish fulfilled easier. Okay, are you ready? Here's how you go about doing this. I want you to sit down, make yourself comfortable, relax for a second, and I want you to think of something that makes you feel absolutely wonderful, but not something that gives you resistance. For example, if you are attempting to manifest a new car, you might have some resistance to that. Or if you're attempting to manifest a better relationship or get back with someone, you might have some resistance there as well. So go back in time, high flyers. Go back in time and find something that you have no resistance to, something you experienced in your life that was absolutely incredible, that made you feel powerful, made you feel on top of the world, made you feel absolutely connected to your higher self, okay? And it can be any experience. You can go back to when you're 10 years old, okay? And you got that new bicycle for Christmas. There it is. It's bright red, and your eyes are like this, and your heart's beating, boom, 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 boom. and you're on this new bicycle and you feel on top of the world. You can go back to an experience like that, any experience, but it has to be an experience that you don't have any resistance to, not something that you're working on manifesting right now, something that has already been manifested in your life. And think about how good you felt. Can you hold, now watch me and listen to me, can you hold that feeling for 17 seconds? I know you can. Hold that feeling for 17 seconds because that's the starting point of your wish fulfilled. That's the beginning. That's the starting line. Now, when you get good at it, you'll be able to hold it for 34 seconds. And then you'll be able to hold that positive vibration for 68 seconds. So think about that. 17 seconds, that's all you need. Then maybe 34, then 68. Got the idea? You're holding that vibration. Now, out here is your intention. The intention, your wish fulfilled, what you truly desire to manifest right now in your life. Here is something you've already manifested. You feel absolutely wonderful. And now, simply transfer this positive, uplifting energy into your intention. Feel your intention, whatever it is you desire, whatever it is that you are manifesting, feel this positive energy that you've created, this high vibrational frequency being transferred to the wish fulfilled. Oh yeah, it works. It's incredible. I'm excited about it. Please share your results down here. You're going to be absolutely astonished. Now, here's the thing that you need to understand. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of your manifestation. If you do this every day, you will be literally shocked at how fast you manifest money, love, happiness, health, whatever it is that you desire. High flyers, next, after you have transferred the energy into your new intention, take inspired action. Take inspired action within the day. Don't say, oh, someday I've got to do this. Someday I've got to call somebody. Someday I've got to write a letter. Someday, do it today. Because you're at a whole new frequency. You're at a whole new level. So take some inspired action. And don't make it action from your ego. Don't make it action based on need and doubt and fear. Inspired action. You just feel inspired. You feel uplifted to take this action. And then finally, follow this through for 28 days. Just 17 seconds. Now you may not need to do it for 28 days. I've had people do this one time and get incredible results. But do it for 28 days because it will teach you, it will build up a muscle within you on how to raise your vibration and then transfer it to something that you may have a little resistance with, but you won't when that new vibration is transferred. Yeah, the wish fulfilled. Here's some other videos I know will help you on your journey.